2 with a reception, 1-2 play, and crossing violation committed by Jason Blades Sullivan. Score now is 1-0. Chance ball now, outside. Score now is 2-0 District 5 with a 2-point lead. Di na po ipagis ang dumaang bola para di madalay ang dula. Thank you very much. Then we have a serve, there's a good reception. Aliwa with a step tap! One attack coming from Aliwana! Broken play na sana pero na with a serve. Service again, back to back services coming from Sulima. Sulima still serving. Score now is 3-7-2. Losing 4 now with a 1-point lead. Villanueva with reception. Attack by team captain Kanya. Lead a save. Aliwana with a chance ball given to District 5. Kanya with a chance ball given to District 4. Basic communication, nagawa ng paraan. Chance ball now to District 4. Chance ball again to District 5. Kanya with an attack. Lee with a reception. Aliwana with an attack. Outside. Napalakas ang tira ni Aliwana. Score now is our second deadlock of the set. 3-all. Service center. Serving now is their team captain, Lee. Reception by the libero, set by Sulima to jersey number 2. Saved by jersey number 15. Chance ball now to jersey 4. Sulima with the set to Aliwana. Now, oh, there from Aliwana. One attack from Aliwana. Serving now is jersey number 4. Team captain Lee. Serving. Chance ball now to District 4. Sulima with a set. Chance ball to District 5. Kanya with a set. Chance ball now to District 4. Wow, miscommunication error committed by District 4. Score now is 4-35. Reception by team captain. Chance ball now to District 4. Sulima with a set to jersey number 5. Attack by jersey number 5. Good one save. Kaya score ng District 4. Score natin mo ngayon. 6-34.
Sa referee. Subok ko.
Aliwanag now, serving.
Kana ko baseball.
Chance ball now to District 4. Sulima with a set to jersey number 5. Chance ball now. Sulima with a set. Chance ball given to District 5. Villanueva with the reception. Chance ball now. 1-2 play coming from jersey number 8. Chance ball now given to District 4. Chance ball again
sa room na guro.
Sulima with a set to jersey number 2. And now, attack coming from team captain Kanya. Chance ball to District 5. And now with a save. Save by jersey number 3. Chance ball now to District 5. Villanueva with a reception. 1-2 play coming from jersey number 3. Jersey number 5 with an attack. Attacking error by Hallelujah. Score now is 5-36. San Miguel now down only by 1 point.
go!
Serving now is team captain Kanya. Outside, service error